Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest. Welcome to my channel, everybody. So this is March 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 8. We are well on our way with this kit. So this kit is called Daydream and it is dreamy. Yes, I do like it very much. So you got to make 3 of this card, 3 of this card, and 3 of this one, and you would have received 3 different envelopes. They are fabulous. Over here, this QR code would lead you to a video to show you how to put these cards together as they were designed. Over here is a visual of not everything in the kit because there is an extra stamp set that is not visual in this little picture over here. It's not there. So down here it lists the coordinating colors. Over here, this QR code would lead you to this set of 5 dies, and this little bee and this honeycomb is what coordinates with this kit. They are the dies called Spring is the Air for January, February, and March 2025's Paper Pumpkin Kit. The new dies are out and available if you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, and they are called Hugs, a bloom for April, May, and June, and it has hugs, this little label, this leaf, and this little bloom. Let's take a look at our stamp set. So we have thank you for always being there for me, this adorable big bumblebee, the little wings you could stamp like light balmy blue in there. The honeycomb that matches the honeycomb die in Spring is in the Air. Wishing you brighter days ahead. Thank you. Sweetest birthday wishes. Enjoy your special day in the bee body. And then on the back is the extra stamp set that is not in the picture. The honeycomb, the flower, hello, and happy birthday. And I just realized that I want sweetest birthday wishes, which I did not get out of here because we are making a birthday card today. We sure are. So let's get this one out and mounted. Put this back in here. All right, we can set this aside. Now videos 1 through 5, I show you everything that comes into the kit. And then after that, we just kind of mosey along. And so let's go over what you are going to need for this card. So we have a white envelope. We have a card base that is cinnamon cider. Yes, I'm using ephemera, but I'm going to show you options that you can use from the kit. So card base is 4 1/4 by 11. This, like I said, is cinnamon cider. Layer number 1 is 1/2 of a card base cut down to 4 by 5 1/4. It is embossed with my lovely embossing folder from Michelle M. This one here, it has kind of these these zinnia flowers. It has a whole bunch of flowers on it. Really, any embossing folder would do. I don't have a lot of embossing folders, so this is perfect. The eyelet embossing folder would do as well. And I'm going to emboss 2 things with it. So I'm doing layer number 1 with it, and then layer number 2 with the same embossing folder. Now this piece is 3 1/8 by 4 1/8. And the reason that is because this is the trash bit card. This one will have a trash bit. This is that vellum piece from those 3 pieces of vellum. And that is going to go right on top of this Pear Pizzazz piece. Green soft sea foam would work. Old olive would probably work just as well. This is what else I forgot. For the inside, let me make sure. Yes, 3 3/4 by 5. 3 3/4 by 5. That's for the inside. Now we have this little rectangle, and this is 1 5/8 by 2 3/4, and it is just a scrap piece that is from the Stitch So Sweetly dies, which I gave to my Aunt Carol. But this piece was available to me, so any rectangle die you have, or just cut a piece that size to cover the center rectangle of the vellum is going to work. Now I am using, once again, that lovely hybrid embossing folder called Thoughtful Moments, which the lovely Lori gave me, and which, oh, here we go. So Lori sent me her lovely embossing folder. the hybrid thoughtful moments, right? And the wonderful Michelle sent me these already die cut and embossed. So we are using Thinking of You. So, and then I'm using this ephemera that I've had for years. It's got its moment to shine in this card. These are the 2 strips from that I cut off of the card base, and I'm not using those. Those are going to go in the recycle bin. But let me show you. If you don't have a piece like this, and I don't have an extra one, this is the only one I have, you could use this flower, this sentiment strip. You could also put a piece of vellum behind this if you wanted. This is from one of Thanks and Beyond. No, The Love of Spring Dies. Okay, you could use those pieces and a bumblebee, and I'll show you that when we get here. I'm going to keep these out and show you what it would look like with these 2 pieces. So let's get started. Pick up all this and set that aside. This isn't going to take any time to do this one. I've already got tear tape on some of it. Hopefully. The glue wants to work. It is very cold out here right now. All right. Ta-da, ta-da, that's simple. And I think I have this one. Let me look at this piece. Oh no, okay. It's like, is it going on there wrong? And it's because this piece and this piece, okay, I did not intend this, but they're going to line up. It's just the way I put it in the embossing folder. All by weird coincidence, okay? It was not intentional on my half. This is just sheer dumb luck. Okay, it just is. It just turns out that they are going to actually line up, which was kind of like a 1 in a million chance that actually is going to line up like that. It was like, when I laid it down there, I'm like, are you kidding me? Did I really get that in there? If I intended to do this, it never would have worked. But the fact that I did not intend it to work out is what is so funny. So I'm just going to rub my finger across this. Oops. Let's try to remove that one. Then pull this one apart. Quick and easy. And this lays right in, it's down. Wherever it's going is where it's going to land. Oh, can I lift it up? Yes. Thank goodness, because it just wasn't right where I wanted it. Why is it being like that? That's as good as it's going to get. Right there, right there. Now this little rectangle is going to cover the center part. And like something is on me. And this one is going to go right here. Now this has got quite a bit of layers, so we're not going to put any more on this. This also has, oops, the tear tape on it, and I'm not coloring this in. This is staying just as it is, the nice white. It works with the card. Just like that. And even this is going to just get glued straight down. But before I glue it down, I want to show you what I almost forgot to show you. Okay. So if you have this, if you have the Thinking of You, you can do that. If you have this, instead of putting the Thinking of You, you could do that. Add that bit, right? You could add a layer of vellum. You could also, if you didn't have this, you can take this piece, add it there or in the center, stamp your sentiment, grab yourselves a nice big old bumble out of here from the kit, and you could have a big old bumblebee right there, right? You could. That would work totally with this card. I would bring this up a little bit more. Stamp happy birthday, have your bumblebee there, and this would work as well. But we're not using those pieces. We are using this piece. And the butterfly is what is going to be in there. So move this. The Wink Estella, because we need the sparkles and the shine. Ooh! Almost too much is coming out of there. Almost too much. Now I am going to take the stickily glitter glue because, oh, I can't yet. I have to stamp the inside. If I do it before then, we will have a stickily mess. So we're going to stamp. Now we're going to stamp. Okay. So we have to stamp for the inside of our card. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Which that looks like it just isn't straight. So let's hopefully straighten that out. We're going to do this in black. I don't see me using a whole bunch of Lost Lagoon unless it's on the Lost Lagoon. Smushy, smushy, smushy. Smush it in there. Oh, that came out nice. Nice, nice, nice. Now, we could add a bumblebee just because I want to, and he's fun. Why? Because we can, right? That's always the best reason. Why? Because we can do it, and that's always fun. Now, there was something else. Oh. Sweetest birthday wishes. This is for the envelope. And I have to do the smushy, smushy. The smushy, smushy. You only have to do it once, and then it's all done. And this is a sweet, simple card. And just like that, lickety-split, we are done. But we have to glue the inside piece first, right? And then we're going to razzle-dazzle it a bit with some stickly glitter glue. Because we can. Okay, so envelope. Bumblebee, sweetest birthday wishes. Happy birthday on your special day. Ooh, that piece popped out of there. That was probably in my envelope folder with all of my cinnamon cider pieces. I chose the cinnamon cider because the colors in the sunflower. All right, so let's take the stickily glitter glue and this went really well on the hello card I did in the last video. So we're going to do it again on here because it's really going to make it stand out. And it takes the white just up a notch, and that's all you have to do. I just have to leave it sit overnight in a safe place and don't touch it. So let's add stickly glitter glue right there, and we're going to streak some on the leaves just to add some more, and we'll do a little on our butterfly as well. Just love it. Okay, now I don't know if I'm done. I kind of want to just take it and just add a few more. Why? Because I can, and I just, guys, y'all know me. I cannot help myself sometimes. We're just adding a bit. There's these little circles on this embossing folder, and that's what I'm just adding a little bit of stickly goodness on. Oh, that's so cute. I'm going to hold it up. I'm not sure if you guys are going to get the whole effect or not. Somebody will when I send it to y'all out there. Oh, that is really darling. So, I don't know if you can see all those little drops, like little dewdrops. Ooh, we missed one right there. Not glue. We didn't miss any glue. There we go. So that is video number 8. And this can be recreated with, you know, this flower here, a bee. You don't have to use the vellum. It was just a thought in the sentiment strip. So it can be repeated or recreated rather with these 3 pieces. It's just I'm using these because I have them, and I can save these for another card, and I can go that one card more with this kit. So thank you all for watching, and this is stuff that I just love doing, and I love sharing it with you guys so very much, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos, and I hope you come back and visit me here in my wonderland. Bye bye for now, everyone.